How to create a DEGIRO account. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to create a new account on DEGIRO, then here's how you do it. First of all, open the DEGIRO application on your smartphone and make sure you are inside this welcome screen. You can also open up your web browser and go to the official DEGIRO website. Once you do, go ahead and look for Open an Account button and tap on it. Select your country on the next page and then enter an email address you want to sign up with in the email tab. Now on the next field, create a username for yourself and on the next field, type in a password for your account. Confirm the new password by entering it in the confirm password field, and when both of the password matches, get to the next page. Check your email inbox for a registration link. Open up your email inbox for the email that you just entered and open the email from DEGIRO. Now click on complete your registration inside the email. Select a web browser to continue with, and your email address has been verified successfully. Now you can get back to the login screen. Get back to your DEGIRO app and click login and enter your username and then your password. After typing down your username and password, click login and you'll need to set up a 5-digit passcode. If you want to enable Face ID or Touch ID, click on confirm and you'll be able to enable biometrics for the app as well. The next thing to do is to verify your identity. Go ahead and enter your first name, last name, select your gender, and follow through the instructions to verify your identity. You'll need your phone number, nationality, home address, and other basic details for yourself. You can continue to verify it right now, or you can finish it later by clicking Finish Later at the top right corner. So now you have successfully created an account for DEGIRO. The account approval will take a short time, but in cases it may take longer depending on verification checks. And once approved, you'll receive a confirmation email and you can start exploring. So that's how you easily sign up your DEGIRO account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.